What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in into another of my videos. Today's video is gonna be an unboxing. A very special unboxing. Oh, sorry, it's upside down. Who doesn't love Power Rangers, guys? Who doesn't? So my favorite one was the Green Ranger, but today we're doing a White Ranger prop movie. I mean, sorry guys. Show replica. So this is about Saba. Saba, the talking tiger saber. I thought it was a sword. So this is Legacy. They call it the Power Rangers Legacy. Is made by Bandai. 15 years and older. The White Ranger. It's an unboxing. I've been having it for a long time, around 6 or 8 months here, and never got to it. So let's open it up. Still got a bunch of items that I haven't even opened them up, guys. So pretty much it says it's a die-cast parts, light and sounds, talking tiger. Same stuff. This is a talking tiger, voice of the original Saba, and the sword extends. That's very cool. Very nice. You can actually use it with. Alright. Brings the instructions. Who uses instructions though? Ooh. Very beautiful. That's what I have to say. Very beautiful. It holds its weight. It's not a light prop either. You'll drop it, but you might break it. Wow. Oh, damn. Ooh. Okay, guys, so I do need, okay. Oh, it brings, batteries. I never knew that. You guys can see it. So pretty much it's very nice. Let me look at it. Just slider on and off. So light. All right. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get a quick idea. Okay. Perfect. Alright, got a quick idea. Oh, it brings the sound when you're fighting. Very nice. Oh, wow, so it has a couple different sounds. Well, actually, I'm very surprised for being a toy. This part doesn't feel like a real toy in that sense. The slides and everything. But it holds its weight. It's not as good as the dagger, the Green Ranger dagger, but I really like it. It brings the gold look. It feels, it holds its own in the best props I ever had, in the sense to be manufactured by a big company and is produced in a lot of quantities. It makes a difference whenever you get a sign like this, because whenever it's a prop maker, it's better, I feel. But this one is really good to be made by a company. The eyes turn red. Ooh. Oh. Wow, it has different voices. That's really good.
I'll take care of him. Activate the timer sword.
It has different incorporated messages, you can call, but.
Wait, tiger sword. Tiger mode. I'm ready now.
That's really good, guys. Those sounds make a difference. So I actually am very happy about unboxing this beautiful piece. I'm not actually gonna use it. I'm just gonna have it in my house hanging. Like you can tell, the details here is where the screws go. By that, those parts are covered with plastic. It holds its own. I'm very surprised. The die cast, I feel like you can get scratched very easy. In Saba, it looks really nice. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Okay, Saba looks very nice. It has like a metal kind of head on. Very detailed. It does look like Saba. So I think it's a good purchase overall. So it's made by Bandai in 2014, made in China. Okay. Very nice details. It bring the sword to life. The gold it's not like plain gold. It holds some weathering here and there. A lot of parts that make it stand out. These lines, black lines, bring out the white in the sword because it gives it more of a dimension. Same thing in the gold. These dark spots just bring those details that you want people to see out. It holds its own into one of my favorite props now. So thank you for watching, guys. Let me know what you guys think. There's a new sword, Saba the talking saber. I really like this part. It's the best. I wonder how they do it. So yeah, guys, it's not the heaviest, but it's heavy into a sense that to be holding it for a long time. I do gotta say, it feels like if you drop it, it will break easy. So you gotta be extra careful. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Say peace.